This is the property you've been waiting for. Aesthetically perfect, lovingly cared for, and in a price point you can afford. I'm Helen from Helen's team, excited to show you this lovely new home. This is a delightful semi-detached home nestled in a family-friendly neighborhood where the serene Monarch woods and convenient amenities are just moments away. This inviting 3 spacious bedroom, 2 full bathroom plus den home offers a warm and welcoming atmosphere, perfect for families seeking comfort and convenience. As you step inside, there's a timeless beauty captured in the refinished hardwood floors, warm neutral tones, and elegant lighting. The dining room is open to the oversized living room with a slider door leading to the private deck. The main level boasts a fully updated kitchen, the heart of this home, which was thoughtfully renovated in the last year, incorporating classic white shaker cabinets, quartz countertops, and a soft gray subway tile backsplash, all complemented by the quality white appliances that blend into the design. The brand new carpet and contemporary wood and iron railings lead you upstairs to the bedroom level. A tastefully renovated bathroom in 2016 with a deep soaker tub ensures style and functionality. Stunning hardwood stairs lead you to the fully finished basement that was remodeled in 2010. The large window in the den and separate entrance offers an in-law potential, making it versatile to suit your family's unique needs. The backyard is a private oasis where you can relax and unwind. This deck and mature trees have been the backdrop to countless memorable moments. And for added storage, you'll appreciate the shed built in 2004, as well as a driveway that offers parking for at least 3 vehicles. Where schools, shopping, and scenic walking trails are within easy reach, this property offers the perfect blend of tranquility and convenience. And the best part is, this property isn't mine, and it should be yours.